evening, everyone. The very first topic which we are going to discuss today is regarding a current affair topic. So, over here, we are going to have a look at the Industrial Outlook Survey. Okay, let's have a look at why is it in news of for the very first thing. That is, this survey actually shows the summary of the index. That means the current condition of our manufacturing sector. So it keeping in mind all the economic conditions. So they actually show the current situation, that what is going on, that whether there is a drop or there is a rise, etc. But currently there is a drop in the manufacturing sector compared to this index. So in this year of 2021-2022, in the initial stages, in the initial first quarter or the second quarter, we have seen a huge drop in our manufacturing sector. So this is what this index is actually reflecting in the article. So again, this is also showing us that in future we are going to have adverse economic conditions, because again, because of the pandemic situation and inflation going on right now, so a lot of things which are not happening in the favor of economy, and over the top of that, our manufacturing sector is also declining. So let's have a look at the Industrial Outlook Survey. Again, this survey is based on the qualitative response, or it again indicates the financial condition of the manufacturing units, the employment condition of the units, and also the price situation of the similar units. So over here we are completely talking about the manufacturing unit. So Industrial Outlook Survey would provide useful insight in the performance of manufacturing sector. Again, this survey actually helps us to see that how the sector is performing, and whether there is if the sector is performing very bad, then again we can form the policies and formulate those in such a way, because again in the favor of the manufacturing sector. So this survey is actually published by, or is given out by, Reserve Bank of India, and this practice is going on since 1998. And again, this survey comes out every on year quarterly basis. So that means after every quarter this survey comes out. So this survey actually seeks to capture the qualitative assessment of the business environment. Again, over here, the survey is checking up majoritarily over the quality which is going on in the manufacturing sector. So that means that how good quality does the manufacturing sector has. So quality in the form of financial condition, quality in the form of employment generation, quality in the form of pricing, manufacturing, etc. So the manufacturing sector companies with paid up capital of over 5 millions are selected, and response is taken through them with the help of a questionnaire. So again, a question will be that how do we have this survey, how the index is collected, that what are the basis of this index, how the questions prepared. So again, over here, that means the sectors, that means the companies whose turnover is somewhere around 5 million per year, more than that. So those companies are selected and a questionnaire is given to them, and according to that, this index comes out. So again, the report also suggests that we should focus on a 4-pillar policy. That means, again, as the current situation is right now, which is going on, that our the manufacturing sector is going down. So there is a huge decline in this, according to the index. So we need to have a 4-pillar approach. And what is this 4-pillar approach actually telling us? That we need to support the enterprises, employment and income, because again, this index is completely based on the employment, income and pricing of the enterprises. Stimulating the economy and jobs. Again, currently, if we talk about the condition which is going on, for example, the inflation time right now. So as there is already an inflation going on, so we need government to take some actions regarding that, and that means we need the government to take control of the economy, also provide with certain jobs, because again, our private sector cannot provide with a huge number of jobs, because again, these sectors are also under lockdown condition and they do not have enough capital with them. And according to this index, if we see that these sectors are also declining, so again, we cannot focus or depend on the private sector completely to provide us for the jobs. So here, government should play a huge role over here. Protecting workers in the workplace. So again, over here, this is also talking about certain labor rights, etc. So that means creating a healthy environment for a person in the workplace. Using social dialogue between government workers and employers to find solutions over here. So this was regarding the, yes, this was regarding the current topic.